Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. It's about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. And I finally got the About Face concealer. I haven't seen any reviews except for my daughter's brushing her teeth. So I've only seen one review. I got the shade F2 Olive, which is what I have in the foundation. Let me show you a comparison. So this is a foundation. This is a concealer. So I think they're the same shade. Actually, let me try. But I almost got that on the website when it launched, but I've been wanting to get a concealer, but I wanted to wait till it came to Ulta. So it came to Ulta, ordered it. Okay. There's a doe foot. It's kind of interesting. It's like a paddle. Okay. Not the exact same shade. So there's the concealer. Definitely olive. And there's the foundation. And it feels really smooth when I swatched it yesterday. Like, it didn't feel tacky. Maybe a little bit, but it's smooth. So, first, I'm going to put it on with no foundation. We're going to do an all-day wear test, hopefully. So, here it is. I don't know how much. I think it's, like, buildable. Okay, so, I have some acne spots. My only gripe with the foundation is I wish it wasn't in a doe foot. I wish it was just, like a pump. I'm going to put some around my eyes. Yeah, definitely olive. I'm going to do a little bit and then see how that goes. I like that it clicks, even though my hand, I have the worst dexterity ever. I don't know if it's too dark or not, because sometimes the pictures, I feel like they use bright light. Sometimes it's hard to tell. It looks nice. Usually I put foundation on top, not under, but I wanted to see how it would look on its own. There's some breakouts, fun stuff. It's covering really nice though. And I'm not seeing any like cakiness. Yes, my light's glowy. Feels smooth. Interesting. Okay, let's see the eyes. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a sponge, sometimes I use my finger. Alright, definitely still some darkness. But I only put, you know, a decent amount, but not a lot. Put a little bit more. On my nose. A little bit more on some other blemishes. I'm going to use my concealer brush. Yes, okay. My BKB Angie Hot and Flashy A506. Just because this is sometimes quicker than my finger. Woo! Yeah, I got some coverage.
Mommy.
Yeah.
No, the zombie's downstairs.
What?
And so I want He's gone.
Okay, good. This brush is kind of fraying already. I don't know if you can you see? Interesting. These brushes are kind of hard to wash sometimes. I don't know what the lighting is making it look, but in person, this is really nice. Almost, dare I say, hydrating. Looks nice. All right, I'm gonna set it, and then I'll show you how that. I'm gonna set it with just my powder that I have right now. The Ultra Peach from not About Face. I want to get their powder actually from One Size. It's not like settling in very quick, which sometimes happens. I'm just gonna pat out just in case, and then I use a little poof This is a peachy powder. I'm just gonna set a little bit because I always have creasing. Okay, now it's like extra smooth. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I will check back with you in a few hours. It is many hours later. I want to just show how it's looking. This could be me not putting enough powder, but that's only like barely any creasing, if you even want to consider that creasing. And then on the other side, same thing here, but it doesn't look bad or cakey or settling in. Yes, I have fine lines. I'm 33, okay? But it also doesn't look cakey or like heavy anywhere. Sometimes I have like cakiness on my nose. I'm not seeing that. And yeah, I can't see any. It just feels smooth too. Trying to find anything. I put this on at 7-ish, okay? And it is almost 6 now. So, you know, 11 hours. I'd say that's pretty good. Pretty good. Let me know if you're gonna pick up this concealer. I got it again in shade F2 Olive. There it is. It's definitely olive. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is the foundation. So the BB, the Illusionist, and then the Performer. And I don't remember any of the details. Well, yeah, actually, while I have time, I'll pull that up right now. So I'll show the shades here. And it is, let's see, a weightless, dermatologist tested concealer that vanishes dark circles, camouflages uneven complexion with medium to buildable coverage. Yeah, I say medium. Like, I don't know what is considered full, but it looks skin-like, so I can see that. Luminous finish. I definitely think it's luminous without being like glowy, like too glowy. I don't know. And it does look natural, non-cakey, whatever. Put it on. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. Crease resistant. Formula blends into skin like magic for undetectable wear up to 16 hours. I'm glad they didn't put something absolutely ridiculous like 36 hours, 48 hours. The functional paddle applicator is designed to glide, sweep, press, and blend seamlessly. I don't know about blend, because if you just go, you're just going to put more product on, but delivering the exact amount of product needed with every swipe. Has blue agave to help hydrate and plump, wild cranberry peptide to help boost radiance, help smooth skin texture, chlorella known to help promote clearer, healthier skin. And also, it does come in 32 shades, 5 undertones, which I think is cool. Okay, so on the website, I don't know, I'm not seeing it on the Ulta website, but on the About Face website, they do show, okay, if you have the foundation, these are the concealer shades they recommend, which you don't have to obviously follow. You can do whatever you want. And then it says you can blend it in with a brush, a beauty blender, or your fingers. I use my fingers, and then I used a brush, but you can use a sponge. And then, of course, they recommend using their loose powder, which I do want to try. All their products, I think, are under $30. So I don't know if they're considered like drugstore, but I wouldn't say they're like high end. I don't know. They're kind of in the middle. And I am seeing a $5 off coupon right now, and Ulta's having their 20% off. And Sephora's, of course, matching them, even though Sephora just had their big sale. And that really kind of that irks me as Sephora, but anyway, I don't want to get into that. That could be a whole other video. So let me know, are you gonna be picking this up? I really like it. I'm excited to wear this more, and I have been wanting them to come out with a concealer. I want to try more products from them. Okay, so I've tried eyeshadow primer, 2 eyeliners, foundation, and concealer now. So that is my About Face products that I've tried. Let me know if you tried anything else from About Face or anything that you want me to try. I use Rakuten to get a little bit of cash back, depending on how much you spend on your order. But yeah, that is my product I got for December. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know if you're picking it up. Let me know any other products you want me to review. I didn't buy a lot of new makeup this year, so let me know if you want any recommendations or reviews on older products, and I can do that. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.